Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Modesta and thanks for stopping by to watch this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to edit a YouTube video using your phone. So we will go direct to our screen record as I show you how to do this. One of my videos, I've talked about free editing apps that are friendly to beginners, and CapCut is one of them. I'll possibly link that video to this so that you may refer to it if you haven't watched it. So in this video, we'll be doing our editing using CapCut. Even though you can use more than one app to edit a single video, especially when the free version of the app you are using does not offer the feature you desire, and you can get the same feature on another app for free. As a beginner, you do not want to pay for a pro version of a given editing app until you are sure that that app is what you actually want. So after opening our CapCut, you can see these are videos I have already edited, and let me just go ahead and delete them because I don't need them here. I've already uploaded them even on my channel, so I'll just delete them. Then the first thing I'll do is to go on new projects. When I go to new projects, I'm brought here whereby I'm required to choose the videos I want to edit. So I'll go ahead and import the videos I want. You can import more than one video if you want, especially if you are the kind of person who edits several short videos, though there are those people who record a single long video. So according to your preference, you can just go ahead and click on them according to their order of recording. This is just but a tutorial, or rather demonstration. I've already used this video, so I'll just pick on any. Let me pick on this one. This one, 3. So you see it's counting, and that's how it's going to arrange them. Then this one, I don't want it to be so long, so let me use those ones. So I'll click down here on add, and it will go ahead and add them on CapCut. CapCut offers few basic features and requires one to be online to access a variety of them. I rarely edit my videos here while online, since I get all the basic features I need offline unless I want to export the video. So this is our video. It's finally imported here, and you can see since I have imported several, I've ended up with a 6 minutes 55 second video, but we are going to reduce that to just a few minutes because we will require to trim out unwanted parts from this. So you can see the features we are going to use are down here, and there are so many, so you can use whatever feature you want. And as I mentioned, there are those that are on pro version, and others you can only use them while online. The first thing I usually do is to change the aspect ratio. Here is it. After effects, captions, then aspect ratio. You want to put the video to the ratio of a YouTube long video, and you see at the moment the video is on original here, but I don't want it on original. This is for TikTok, but then this is for YouTube. So I go ahead and click this lest I forget. Sometimes you may end up exporting your video without changing the aspect ratio, then you end up with a video on your YouTube that is maybe half screen or something. The next thing to do is to go ahead and trim the unnecessary or unwanted parts. These can be parts that maybe you post for long, or areas you made mistakes. Like you see, my video has begun, so all this part is unwanted. For me to cut out, I'll wait up to the part that maybe I begin to speak, then I trim it from there. But since I know what's happened here, I'll just go ahead and drag this video and see if there's anything meaningful I did. If there isn't, then I'll go ahead and delete all this clip. So to delete the clip, I just click on the clip and it highlights it. Then go to this option down here, the option of delete. So it is deleted. In case you realize that you have deleted a clip, maybe you want to use, there's this option up here on your right hand, there is undo. So I can undo the clip. But then if I realize that it's unnecessary or I can just do away with it, I go ahead, I don't have to highlight it and delete it. So I just go ahead and redo. So I have redone the deleting. That clip is gone. Let's say I want it from here. Let me see what hello there. So I can drag it to this point, to a point where I want it to begin, maybe the lifting of the hand. Then go ahead and click on edit. Then it gives me these various options down here, and I go on split. I split this part from the rest of the part and see, let's see what it gives us. Exactly what I want. So we highlight the previous section and delete that part. So I'm left with the part that I want to begin with. For example, let's say I want to begin by saying hello there. So that is it. We have the beginning section. So you can still do that, and if you realize that maybe you've made a mistake in here, you can still go ahead and do the trimming or other cutting. So we'll split again and do the same. Maybe we want to cut out this part, you do the same, you split again. So you'll have these two parts, this one and this one. So not really two, you have 1, 2 and 3. So suppose we want to delete the middle one, we'll use the same procedure. Highlight it, then click delete. I'm going to be teaching you how to you may realize that sometimes when you do that splitting, you may end up missing on the exact points. So like for example, let's say I was supposed to split this video here. I've left out a very short part that maybe I wanted to, that was supposed to go with the one that I've deleted. So I go ahead and just highlight the section that has that part, and then drag it to the direction I want and see if I got it. If I missed it, I still do the same. Oh no. So you have to be very careful while doing that, because sometimes it may want to drag the whole clip to a different section. But if you realize that you did drag it, you can just go ahead and undo or redo. So that's it. We highlight and drag it. You see it's moving. So we have the part beginning from somewhere else. The next thing you want to do is, or rather what I do, remember you use only the features that are applicable to you. You don't have to use all the features here. You just go ahead and delete these other parts because I don't think we are going to need them. The next thing that is very important, a feature that CapCut offers, is for you to reduce the background noise. So you just go here, you click on edit, click on reduce noise. So
tap here and let it reduce the background noise on all the clips. You ensure it runs up to the end, then go ahead and maybe increase the volume. Still the same procedure, volume. So you can see the volume is halfway. You can just maybe go ahead and
hello there,
you see
welcome
the
to my
volume
YouTube
has
channel. My name is
adjusted
teaching you how to
and
film or
it
how to
keeps
record.
adjusting.
To be
You
teaching you
can
how
tell
to
the
film
difference.
or how to record a YouTube video using your phone.
So it
So
keeps
to begin with,
reducing. You ensure that you do the same to all the clips. Another important feature you can add here is text. So you just come down here and click on add text, then it gives you your text box. You type in the type of text you want, like for example I can say subscribe. You can edit it according to the font type and font styles you want down here. So let me choose the font style. Also, you can drag it to the position you want. Ensure the size is what you also prefer. The position I want it here. And another thing you consider when you're adding your text is when do you want it to appear. You ensure that you let it appear at the right time. Maybe when you're talking about people subscribing, then you can let it pop up at that time, or you can leave it to be there the entire time. So you go ahead and save. So that's what it will be like, but I can still drag it. To drag it, I'll just highlight it, then drag, so it will not begin from the beginning.
Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel.
That's it. So after that, you can also add more other features such as transitions and many more. By then you can do more practice on this for you to master well the skills of editing. For you to be a pro in this, you have to do more practice on how to use each and every feature here. Remember not to overuse the features, because overcrowding your video with such features may be with many features may be distractive. It will deviate your main point of the video from informative or entertaining to something else. So just minimize on the use of features, and we will be talking about that in another video of mistakes we do when we are editing, or what we need to avoid when we are editing. So I want us to add some transition. Transition is what is going to appear in between these two clips, between this one and this one. In between here, how is it going to transit from one clip to another? I nowadays don't use so many transitions, but it is important. Remember, these are parts you've just joined, and sometimes they may not, the transition may not be smooth. So we are going to click on this a dash or part down there, then it will bring us to the transitions we have. Like I said, most of some features here are on pro version, so you check which one is you are offered on free version. So like for this case, a variety of them is on pro version, and I'm not willing to pay for those, so I'll just go ahead and choose whatever is on free. Like this one that is saying pull in, I really love to use this. So I select it and apply it. Click on.
My name is to be teaching you how to.
So that's how it transits.
Channel. My name is to be teaching you how.
Let's maybe do this from another point. Here, click on this. It brings you to these options. You can use something else, maybe black fade. Yes, I've chosen that. It is also going to give you the duration for you to select the duration that you want it to take. You see, there's a preview up there, so you can, if you give it a long duration, let's give it a long duration so that you can note the difference. That's it. So this is how it is. But then you don't have to let it run for a long duration, so we are going to edit that and give it a very short duration. It's usually cute when it's a long duration, a short duration, I mean. So that's it. Hope you noticed the difference. It is not as plain as it was. So another thing, when sometimes you can realize that there is a clip you want to use and you haven't added it here. You go, maybe let's say some ending that you want to add that's not already added here. You click on this plus sign and then it takes you to your gallery to pick a clip you want to use or you want to add. Just pick a clip. You see, it will show you the ones that you've already imported, like for example this one and this one are already imported. So let me use something that's not important. Let me use this short one. I click on that, then click on add. You see the clip is added here. Then you go ahead using the same procedures and these features down here. You also work on it just like you've worked on other sections. You can also consider cutting out or rather removing the ending. Just click on the ending. I really don't like the ending CapCut logo showing or rather watermark, so I come click on it, then just delete so that I don't have to advertise to everyone that I have used CapCut in my editing. The last thing we want to do is to export our video, but before we export, you can change the resolution up here. Just click on that arrow, then give it the resolution you want, also according to your preference. And finally, with my data turned on, click on export.
If you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss such informative videos, and watch my other videos that I've posted on this channel concerning how you can create and grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this far, guys, and bye.